Just a quick update. Sorry about the video quality and the noise. I was totally wrong about this cooler. There's something I found out I would just like to show you about it, and this is the second follow-up video, the second one I'm making follow-up video about this cooler. If you look at it very well, forget about the messy, look beyond the messy table, and if you look at it, I have this cable here. There's not enough light that usually connects to the RGB, and it's connected to no RGB as you can see it here, but I'm powering it through the motherboard, and the RGB and the fan seems to work very fine without any other connection from there. You can see I just had to try it on the Intel motherboard, and I found out the mounting system also. You can actually use the mount from the AMD, the screws and other stuff like that from AMD, and all I just did here was just mount it and use the plate for the Intel to also mount it, the half plate for the Intel to also mount it over there, and I was able to get a proper strong mounting system here. So point of correction, focus. Point of correction, mounting on this cooler is really nice, and the RGB could work without you being able to control it with your motherboard, and you can actually get a better result. So guys, sorry for the misleading information before. Addressable.